Welcome to our channel. Today we how to manage personal growth with Headspace, complete guide step by step clearly. Begin by understanding what personal growth means for you. Identify areas in your life where you want to improve. Consider aspects such as mental health, productivity, relationships, or physical well-being. Set clear and achievable goals for your personal growth journey. Next, download the Headspace app, available on both iOS and Android devices. Create an account using your email or social media profile for easy access. Once inside, explore the various features of the app designed for personal growth. Start with the progress section to track your journey. Familiarize yourself with the meditation basics if you're new to meditation. Headspace offers guided meditations for specific goals like stress relief, focus, and sleep. Choose a meditation that aligns with your current personal growth goals. Set a consistent time each day for your meditation practice to build a routine. Utilize the sleep section for tools that enhance your rest and recovery. Incorporate mindfulness exercises into your daily activities to maintain awareness throughout the day. Create a journal within Headspace to document your thoughts and feelings after each session. Review your journal regularly to track your emotional and mental progress. Explore additional resources, such as articles and videos, to deepen your understanding of personal growth. Consider joining a community or forum within Headspace to share experiences with others. Be patient with yourself and understand that personal growth is a gradual process. Adjust your goals and practices as needed, ensuring they remain relevant to your evolving self. Celebrate small victories along the way to stay motivated in your journey. Finally, make personal growth a lifelong commitment, using Headspace as a supportive tool. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.